Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Donut Park Franchise Philippines franchise business ideas. Donut Park Franchise Philippines is a bakeshop franchise that offers a proven and unique business model, exceptional training, and ongoing support to help you succeed in the baking industry. Their mission is to provide franchisees with a turnkey bakery business opportunity, offering support and guidance to help them succeed in the world of baking. Their vision is to establish a network of thriving Donut Park franchises known for their quality, innovation, and exceptional customer service. For the Donut Park menus, regular donuts, they offer strawberry, mocha, white choco, chocolate, classic, and glazed. For the premium overload donuts, they offer white al capone, choco al capone, mango graham, Bavarian overload, nutty caramel, and cookies and cream. For the premium bits donuts, they have choco bits, dark chocolate bits, original flavor, red velvet bits, matcha bits, and caramel bits. For the K-Mini donuts, they have blueberry, matcha, Bavarian, choco, mango, strawberry, ube, and yema. For the K-Pao, they have asado, bola bola, ham and cheese, and tiny cheese pao. For the K-Pouch, they have peach, hazelnut, caramel macchiato, americano, and blue lemony. For the dim sum, they have frozen and steamed pork dim sum and Japanese dim sum. For juice, they have sparkling blueberry and signature pink juice. For the Donut Park franchise packages, first package is Do-It-Yourself package with a franchise package fee of 80,000 pesos. The franchise package includes 1-year agreement, use of trade name and logo, training, store planning, signage, menu board, tarpaulins, and sample premix. For the all-in package, this includes complete materials and long-term agreement. The franchise package fee is worth 280,000 pesos. It includes 3 years agreement, use of trade name and logo, training, store planning, signage, menu board, tarpaulins, and sample premix. It also includes 1 spiral mixer, 1 display rack, 50 pieces plate, 1 working table, 1 donut fryer, and 2 cooling rack wire. For the franchise procedure, Step 1. Visit their office for full details of business or attend online presentation. Step 2. Submit the proposed location, which is subject for approval. Step 3. Choose your preferred package. Step 4. Make reservation or straight full payment of franchise. And lastly, step number 5. Process and operate. For the contact details, please contact Donut Park Franchise Philippines with the address 2nd floor HGL Building, Biglang Awa, EDSA, Caloocan City. You may call them with the telephone number 028535-5711. You can send them an email at inquiries@donutparkph.com. You can visit their website at donutparkph. You can also visit their Facebook page at Donut Park Business. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Donut Park Franchise Philippines franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.